You guys have probably been wondering when I'm gonna make a VR video. Well, my VR headset broke. The cord broke. So I can't make any new VR videos, but I can look at the app and see previous VR videos that I made that I never posted on my YouTube channel. So here we go.
Let's go. Sticking out my yacht for the Rizzler. Oh my gosh.
Sticking out my yacht. Okay. All right.
Yeah, thanks for saying my name correctly.
Whoa, whoa.
Yeah, dude. I just turn around. Why'd you turn around? Why'd you turn around my Galler?
Safe.
But that Galler, he got right. Why would you
Come here, yacht.
You got a yacht or yacht?
Me?
I'm gonna lure him in. Oh, I got a yacht.
You got a yacht?
What is that?
Hey, you should go give him a high five.
Dr. Train.
Go.
You monster. I'm going, run! Oh, no, they're coming. They'll come. They'll come back. Wait for them, wait for them. Wait for them. Guys, come back.
Oh yeah, I forgot I'm. Hold on.